wow, look at these mountains in the distance, beautiful mountains. And in front of it, as you can see, is a whole lot of vineyards. Now this area is well known throughout the world for its wine and grape juice. So there's some very famous vineyards in this area.
We arrived here in Karoo One Hotel, and apparently there is a lot of history about this place. The manager was just telling us all about it. Kamer 7, I don't know how we spell it. That's room 7. So let's go with us to see our room. So we are facing the mountains. So the whole structure of the rooms is actually built with sandbags. This is part of the structure. Look, this is how it's built. The ceiling is made out of bamboo. Beautiful. I like it. I really like it. The decoration on the walls is also very sweet. This is very African. Very, very sweet. Some kind of straw chair. And this is the bathroom. Okay, this is really African. Straws. Very pretty. I like how they use this table. It's really pretty, just probably for dirty washing. And right here is the toilet. Some people explained to us that here in the older houses, generally the toilet is separate from showers. And here on the other side, and it's just a simple shower, but I like the floor. It's made with pebbles and it's really cute. Look how they follow with the patterns here all around the wall. And there are some windows up there to give extra light. Can't get over the fact that the whole structure is actually built with sandbags. And what is this? Oh, and follow me here. And of course, you probably already saw this, but just look. Even with the door shut, you can see the mountains really well. And of course, the love of my life is also here. Coffee! Teacups. So we came to the little restaurant here in the Karoo One Hotel. We ordered some spaghetti bolognese and some chicken pesto salad. There is nothing to see now at night. Everything closes very early on Saturday because basically we are in the middle of nowhere. Beautiful nowhere.
In the middle of the desert.
In the middle of the desert. I love deserts. The mic's here. So we're just taking a takeaway to the room or whatever is left from it. We ordered a chicken mayonnaise sandwich, but Steven ate most of it. And he's probably gonna eat my half too.
Hey Ness, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. Oh, and we got a nice fire being set up there. Fire set up.
Amazing, hey? So this whole place here, this whole area is from the 1800s. A lot of these buildings here, they are either made with sandbags or else straw.
This one has straw in the wall and clay. And then you can see that's a thatched roof. It's a straw roof. And this building was 1837.
So the guy was telling us about the thatched roof. They need to maintain it every 2 years. You see those things there on the top, and that's like a weight. Generally, they just put cement to make it way down. And every time when they change it, like every second year, if it's cracked, they have to change the cement as well. Although the structure, this type of building is really beautiful, it's really high maintenance. any crack in the wall, lightning can get in there and just burn the whole structure from the inside of the walls, you know?
The chapel had a lightning strike 2-3 weeks back.
But the guy let us just film the video he took with his phone, so you guys are probably seeing it now. So we are going to the famous chapel that caught on fire 3 weeks ago.
So the Karoo is very famous for the sheep, which is why they have these bearded sheep. And if you look around, you can see some of the beginning of the Karoo deserts.
Well, the chapel is really close to the bedrooms. So these are the bedrooms here. And we are on the last one there, 7. Okay.
Oh wow, it is a real chapel. For the Lord God Almighty reigns.
That's all I know.
Try again.
It's a basic
Pretty
church.
one, but
Yeah.
but it's pretty.
Yeah, I like rustic things. We like rustic things. We really like it.
Yeah.
So, when you look through the door, there is a really beautiful view of the mountains, and you don't need anything more than this. I'm just so glad we are not in the West Coast right now. We're not ready for the cold weather. Nah.
Oh, look.
Ah! Hey, buddies!
We're on the lookout for a rock pool. Apparently, in the days of the Boer War, when the British colonizers came and fought with the South African farmers, the South African farmers escaped down to a rock pool area overnight. And so we're not sure if this is the rock pool or we'll go look for another rock pool elsewhere. Is there a sign? Yeah?
Yeah, right here.
Ah.
Like, see? Shows the trail, but obviously not the pool.
You sure it's this way?
No. So we thought this could be where the pool is, but obviously we're wrong again. We thought the pool would be here because we saw a building far away from us. And obviously we are wrong because there's no pool here, it's just an abandoned building. But it's cool to see it's cute, yeah. I'm just hoping that a lion doesn't show up. That wouldn't be cool at all. Do you think it's possible, Steven?
I don't think there's lions here.
Okay.
It would have eaten the sheep. Well, look.
Why?
No.
Okay, what is this?
Ah, so here something is. There's a little shed here.
If it was a horror movie, we would have died a long time ago already. Okay, nothing here.
Wow, look at these rocks up here. Amazing.
Oh, wow. Those
Wow.
have round holes in, you see?
Wow, look at that. Oh, and there's a little seating area there.
Oh, here. Be careful, this
Amazing.
is slippery. Escorregadio. Oh, cuidado, muito cuidado. I don't like this noise. Here,
Here's the-
aqui.
Here is the pool.
Ah!
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Here we are. Here is the rock pool. Amazing. Amazing. Wow, look at this. Okay, so let's see what's up here, huh?
This looks Looks like straight from an RPG game.
Wow.
I guess you can just sit here with your friends, right?
Look here, so it's
after
had water
swimming.
washing the rocks, it seems.
Oh, uau! Eu acho que isso aqui é só um abrigo para você sentar com seus amigos depois de nadar, sei lá. Lugar para guardar a cesta de piquenique. Now let's go up. Okay? Man, this is steep. So this is what the thatch roof looked like.
Yeah, so this has wire on top to stop the thatch from blowing away.
Wow, it just don't look down. You can see through. You can't see it very well on the camera, but you can really see through in real life. There's a very good view of the pool, of course. It's a very nice breezy space to sit after a long walk.
Wow, what a view, huh?
What a view.
What a view. So there they seem to be going down to the Gorge area, which is like a big crag or opening in between the mountains. So this is the area where the South African farmers hid from the British when they came. Hang on. An owl? You found an owl?
Wow, this is the gorge. They say the view is really gorgeous, therefore it's a gorge. It's a bit slippery. I'm not going there. No, don't go there.
Wow, look at this. Wow. Oh, and there's water down there. Just be very careful, huh? Go where the cement is, but be careful. Pretty, hey? Water down there.
Wow, at least if you fall, you don't die immediately. No, I'm not going any further. Bye. I'm going back. I'm coming back. Look at these holes! Wow! Wow! I wonder who made them, if they are made by birds?
I think it's from water.
Water?
I think there was water dripping down here before.
It was too high, man. I'm so catching my breath. Or more steep steps. What's up with these people? There's hardly any space to put your feet in. This is a sign, and I guess it says, if you die, it's not their fault. But let's read. Basically, don't die. They won't be held responsible. And stay tuned for next week's video. We will finally see wild animals. Don't worry, it's safe.
Looks like we're stuck.
Thanks for watching and welcome to Africa.